condensed and bond line structure formulas and identify the functional groups present if any. A. 2,2,4 trimethylheptane. B. 2-hydroxy 1,2,3 propane tricarboxylic acid. C. Hexane diol. So first one here, see 2, so condensed solution, condensed formula, bond line formula, it functional group. Here see first one 2,2,4 trimethylheptane. Hept means 7 carbons. 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. Here 2,2,4. So second place, fourth place, methyl groups. So and totally trimethylheptanol. Here it is the CH3. Here CH3. So again CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3, fourth one H, CH2, CH3. Here in condensed formula, it is the C. C represents its one. C. So surrounding CH3, CH3 thrice. CH3 thrice. Again CH2. So it is the CH2. Next one CH3. Next one CH2 twice. Again CH3. It is the CH3. Again CH3, C. C means this one. CH3 thrice. So again CH2. It represents CH2. Next one CH3. Again CH2 twice CH3. So in bond line, so we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 to 4 trimethylheptane bond line formula. So next one, another one. Next one, 2-hydroxy 1, 2, 3 propane tricarboxylic acid. Propane means so 3 carbons. Here see CH3, CH2, CH3 propane. So first place, second place, third place. First place, second place, third place. So second place contains OH, hydroxy, 2-hydroxy. 1, 2, 3 propane tricarboxylic acid. So first carbon contains COOH. Second carbon contains COOH. Third carbon contains COOH. So this one here COOH CH2. COOH COOCH2. Next one COH COOH. COH COOH. Next CH2 COOH. So again COOH CH2. COOH CH2. COH COOH. This carbon similar. OH COOH. OH COOH. Next CH2 COOH. It is the condensed formula. Again I will write in bond line formula. We will give numbering 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5. So totally one first place, second place, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So second carbon contains hydroxy and first carbon contains carboxylic acid. This contains COOH, carboxylic acid. Third carbon contains carboxylic acid. Again, it is 1, 2, 3. First carbon contains COOH. Second carbon contains OHCOOH. Third carbon contains COOH. It is the bond line formula. Next, third one CHO CH2 4 CHO. Here see CHO hexane diol. Hex means 6 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So diol, first carbon aldehyde, and last carbon aldehyde. So hexane diol. Here, so here CH2, 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 CH2. So CHO, this one CHO, CH2 4, CH2 4, CH2 4. Again last one CHO. So it is the condensed formula. Again we can write in one-line formula. So it is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. So first place contains aldehyde, sixth place contains aldehyde, remaining CH2, 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 CH2. So again I will write functional groups. The functional groups are, here are only single bond. Single bond means no functional group. So it is the alkane. Generally alkane. Alkane is the no functional group. Next one, it contains alcohol and carboxylic acid. Alcohol and carboxylic acid functional groups. Alcohol and COOH. Here contains only aldehyde. Only aldehyde functional groups. It is the condensed formula, bond line formula, and its functional group. Thank you. Please subscribe, like.